welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So in my last video, girl, I think, or the video before that, I don't know, I did what I've been eating. I do those often, and somebody asked for the penne rosa recipe I did, and I literally was like, oh, it's like a little 1, 2, 3, and they were like, girl, be serious. So if you want to see how I made a vegan penne rosa, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos, and as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, ooh, roller coaster. What was that about? Anyway, this recipe is very simple, and I know I said that about a lot of things, but this is like a Tuesday night for me. It's like I got home late from teaching or rehearsal or whatever, and I need something, but I don't want a freaking, you know, pasta marinara sauce, a baked potato. You know, you want a little razzle for that dazzle, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, okay, before I leave, I'm gonna put some cashews to soak, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna act like, you know, it's giving very much The Bear. Okay, without the chaos. But you know, like, let's have like a little gourmet situation, you know what I'm saying? Like on a Tuesday night, like, yeah, let's be serious. I'm gonna do some roasted broccoli because that's how I was going. I always have to put something on top of it. Like I can't just eat bare pasta. Like I don't know. I have to, like in the video I had arugula salad on top, which I wish I could have gotten some arugula, but Memphis is on its knees once again. I don't even want to talk about it because what's going on? Oh, I don't want to talk about it. I've been outside in a week. Anyway, so I need to put a little something. I always do with frozen broccoli. I always have frozen broccoli. I need a little green, little something. Okay, I put that in the air fryer. I made some garlic oil a couple of days ago, and I put that on top of it. Okay, so we're making the cashew cream because that's the base of our sauce. We're basically making an Alfredo sauce. I have an Alfredo video. Early Katie Makes It Vegan. We're basically doing the same thing with pasta sauce. You're gonna see how easy this is. Okay, I took raw cashews. They've been soaking for like 2 hours. Nutritional yeast. I put a little bit of water because, like I said, I didn't want to use all my oat milk because in the house. And so don't do that. Just follow my recipe. I blended it up until it was smooth. You can use a regular blender. Put it into a pot. The pot was not dirty. Do not come for me. I put the pasta cooked in there, okay? I'm gonna add it to the pot with some vegan Parmesan cheese. I think the one from Trader Joe's is one of the best Parmesans for vegans on the market right now, okay? I melted that into the pot. This is like on medium heat because you don't want the cashews to separate. You know, vegan things, sometimes they can be a little emotional. They got too many feelings. You gotta just be gentle. Don't put it on high heat, okay? And I know like some vegan cheeses need infernos to melt them, like the surface of the sun. The ones from Trader Joe's aren't like that. If you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, I feel like, you know, a Violife situation is also good. But sometimes Violife be like $6. I said, this is not even from a cow. Like, what's going on? So I bought one from Trader Joe's, but I'm adding my pasta. I could have made looking more pasta, but what about it? What you finna do? I think I did under 2 cups. The recipe says 2 cups of pasta. I think I had like 1 3/4, okay? I'm plating it up. Here it is. It's nice and saucy. I don't like none of that stiff stuff. The recipe says to use a little bit of pasta water if you need it. I had some reserved because I didn't know how it was going to turn out with like the consistency, because I like my stuff velvety, nice and smooth. I'm pretty, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't need it. But if you need it, just put a little pasta water. Don't panic, don't cry, babe. Yeah? Okay, we're gonna put it up with the broccoli and, you know, a little cracked pepper because I'm grown, a little red pepper. Y'all, this was so good. And I sat down and I was like, scrum de yum yum. I'm like, girl, you have this all the time, at least twice a month. Like, what are you talking about? Like, you already knew how it was gonna taste. It's so good. I don't think this is my recipe. It's my recipe in that I wrote it. I write my stuff. She writes her own lyrics. But I'm pretty sure there's a restaurant that used to be in my hometown, Evanston, shout out to the 847, that had a rosa pasta. I think it was called Dave's Italian Kitchen. I thought it was a really underrated, really overrated, overhyped restaurant. And I am one of the only people in Evanston that thinks that Dave's Italian Kitchen was mid. It was so, I didn't understand what the hype was, but they did that one little thing. And I have carried this recipe ever since then. And now I have the vegan version. It's so good. It's so easy. You know, it's a way to razzle dazzle up your pasta or whatever. And literally from start to finish, 20 minutes. I think I had like 20 minutes of footage, y'all. Like, it really isn't anything. Like, definitely weeknight friendly, lazy girl friendly, lazy boy friendly, lazy they them friendly, all of that stuff. And I would never lead you astray. I literally never have. Exactly. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. I name dropped like 7 videos. Okay, 2, but you know what I mean. Check out my other videos. The link to the detailed recipe is in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Oh, if you made it this far, let me know what you want me to make next. Somebody said sambusas. Girl, I got you. I've been wanting to make that for a long time. Now is my moment. Thank you for reminding me. All right, y'all. Bye.